Tuesday, June 1st. Yesterday I had rainbows in some clouds, but I didn't have my camera with me. But it was all the colors in the rainbow across the surface of some clouds. Those are shoes in a power wire. I'm trying to show you the cloud ripples. Speaking of shoes, the shoe tree near Austin, Nevada was cut down. I put a video of that up. So have other people. Now it's gone. This has some of the characteristics of the one I posted a couple of years ago in April. Amazing cloud band, something like that. It's a good wind out. Those are blowing northeasterly, mostly north. Oh, this is running better and better. 76, 360T. Started off at 5193, so we put 300 miles on it. I'd say it's running almost normal, but not quite yet. Looking south, rotating around to the west. Northwest. And north. The lake. Perch off. North, west, north. So from beginning to now is only a few minutes. You can see things change pretty rapidly. Let's see how this comes up. It's hard to see if I'm getting those ripples. Zoomed in now. Westerly rotating north again. Westerly going vertically. So it's pretty strong winds up there blowing those to the north, slightly to the east. Westerly, northerly. I'm going to go about 3 miles north now, see what's going on up there. Well, we're 4 miles north, looking south, rotating to the east. So this is continuing to move and spread out. So let's see what kind of clouds we have. That out by looking at the International Cloud Atlas, first edition, 1956. And 1987. This is technical stuff. This actually is the first edition is in 39. Anyhow. Okay. About altocumulus stratiformis perlucidus undulatus. Altocumulus stratiformis undulatus radiatus translucidus perlucidus. Altocumulus stratiformis undulatus translucidus perlucidus radiatus. Altocumulus stratiformis translucidus undulatus. Altocumulus stratiformis undulatus radiatus perlucidus. I can't blab such blibber blabber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. So this is the 87 edition. You can see that the pictures are in color, whereas almost all of the other pictures in the 56 are in black and white. Altocumulus translucidus. Altocumulus stratiformis translucidus perlucidus. Cumulus rose, which is also in the 56 book. But let me show you one curious similarity. Okay? Let me show you this funny similarity. This is the 87 book. It uses this 1944 photograph of condensation trails. And on the next page it has this 1945 January photograph of condensation trails, which I find peculiar because it's first used in the 56 book and then it seems to have been used continuously afterwards. anyhow, that's your cloud lesson for today. I could have recorded something like this yesterday, but I didn't have my camera. It's called irisation. On my other memory stick, I have a sundog that says Corona. Sundog is sun's here, and around here is a rainbow. Right, it's a circular rainbow, a halo, Corona, whatever. This one was very large. If this was the sun, the halo, complete ring was way out here, but the memory stick is on the fritz right now, so I can't show that to you. And it poured. The bigger the halo, the bigger the ring, the more it's going to rain. So if it's real in close, probably won't rain. Might further away will rain. Somewhat similar to this. This is a quadruple set of anti-coronal rings. Alright, well, we're done with the cloud manual, so maybe it's 10 minutes after the previous video. Looking south again, looking out to the north area here, and the movement seems to have slowed down. Alright, that's it for today.